Welcome to Geotopia. Hi, my name is Sid. I'm a smooth talking sloth. At least I think so. These are some of my best buds. Manny is a woolly mammoth. Diego is a saber-toothed tiger. Buck is a weasel. We make up a fun herd. We always have some wild adventures. One time, we saw a huge fireball hide in the sky. It was a big rock called an asteroid. It was headed for Earth. Buck loves adventure. He also loves to help out. He had an idea where the asteroid would land. We decided to go to the spot Buck had plotted out. We took our families and a few friends too. We walked and walked, and the asteroid got closer and closer. We made it to the spot. The walls there shimmered and shined. "Welcome to Geotopia," said a pretty sloth named Brooke. Teddy greeted us too. He's super strong. He was so excited to show us around Geotopia. "We love having visitors," he shouted. Geotopia is a huge geode. A geode is a rock with crystals inside. Geotopia is so big that all the Geotopian creatures live inside it. All those creatures are kooky and colorful. One was playing a guitar, a group of wild animals played chess, and a big blue rhino strutted around with a crown of flowers. Other animals danced and spun around. They held crystals. Their crystals glowed. They threw flowers in the air. Wacky yaks and shabbermouths swung from the vines, and unicorns flew by. They sure know how to party in Geotopia. We spotted a pair of petrels. Next we met some groovy aardvarks and an ox. Brooke and Teddy took us down a crystal path. Bung, bung, bung. An animal hit a gong. It got very quiet. All eyes were on a furry bush in the center. "Here he is, the Supreme Serim," said Brooke. The bush started to move. It wasn't a bush. It was a llama doing yoga. "Greetings, mammers," said the Shangri-Lama. Buck tried to talk about the meteor, but the Shangri-Lama paid attention and did some crazy yoga poses. Luckily, the others listened to Buck. They saved the Earth. With the help of his new friends, they stopped the asteroid. What a great day in Geotopia!